Understand JavaScript in less than 5 minutes. Debug your code in less than 2 minutes. And push your existing Git repository in less than a second. Let's go. We're gonna start with DOM manipulation. So the first line tells the browser only run this JavaScript after the entire HTML page is fully loaded. If you don't do this, JavaScript might try to use buttons or input before they exist. The second line, which is const QR, finds the input box where the user types the text or URL. The third, which is const generate, finds the generate QR code button. The fourth one, which is const QR container, finds the big box that will hold the QR code. The fifth, const QR code, this is where the QR image itself will appear. The sixth, which is const download button, finds the download QR button. And our seventh line will be const error message, finds the red error message text. All these are DOM manipulation, JavaScript selecting part of the web page. We have our function right there. Whenever it runs, it generates a QR code. Get user input with this line, const input text. Whatever the user types. Trim removes empty spaces from start and end. Check the if no input text, if there's no text, shows the error text. QR container.style.display is equals to 9. It hides the QR container so it does not show old QR codes. Return stops the function completely. This is a basic input validation essential in all real apps. If input is valid, hide the error message. QR code.inner HTML, delete any old QR code before drawing a new one. Try to generate the QR code. Start a try block, meaning try this code. If there's no error, we will catch it. Create a new QR code using the library. New QR code. Use the QR code.js library to create a QR code inside the QR div. And then we have settings text, input text. This is the text the user typed. We have the width 200, height 200. Set the size to those pixels. We have black QR code with white background. These are just the styles of the QR code. And then we have correct level QR code.correct level.h, high error correction. Let QR work even if the part is covered. Best quality. Show the QR container. QR container.style.display is equals to block. If something goes wrong, catch error. If anything inside try false, run this code. Console.error. Console.error. Print an error message to the console for debugging. Error message.text content changes the error text. Error message.display. The style.display shows the error to the user. Now, the most interesting part is the generate button, add event listener. This listens for a click, and if the button is pressed, it runs the function. This line is an event listener. The next line, QR input.add event listener. Here, press enter to generate. If the user presses enter, the QR code generates automatically. This improves the user experience, something very good developer cares about. The download button, line up to const canvas. Here we download the QR code. QR code are drawn on a canvas. This line grabs the canvas element. Then from const link to link.click function, we turn the canvas into a PNG image, create a temporary download link, and click it automatically. Boom, your QR code saves to your device. Let's now push our existing repository back to GitHub with updated version. We're gonna start with git add dot and then git commit under -m update code and fixed errors. Enter, press enter, and then it's gonna get pushed to GitHub. After we say git push, we write another command git push, and then it's gonna get pushed afresh to GitHub. As you can see, pushed five days ago, updated 1 minute ago.